Hello everybody and welcome back to Munich. I'm here on the road in my city. I just came through the Olympiapark, so better say I'm still here in the Olympiapark. I have documented this park quite good. Have a look up in the corner, there's a playlist. But there are some parts of the park I haven't documented yet. Here in the western part of the park, there's one area that is right now a construction site, but will be the new hockey stadium and basketball arena here in Munich. So let's walk this direction and see how it looks like today. And here in the park, of course, the Olympic Tower is always present here behind those trees. The lone bus line that's running through the park is just passing. Over there, the roof construction of the Olympic Stadium. Let's bring it a little closer. Yes, here we are. There's the Olympic Stadium. Another view to the tower. Oh, where is it? There it is. This is a really nice area, even on a day where the weather is not that nice as it is today. It's a little gray. We have some drops of rain already falling. The first rain we have here in Munich for weeks. Day of recording, late March 2022. And here this water, the canal, the Olympic Canal. Over there it goes into the Olympic Lake. Yeah, there is a video on the channel on this lake. Here it gets a little bigger on the southern side of the stadium. Yeah, and here another footpath starts along this water, which will become the Nymphenburg Canal further to the west. And the construction site of the new stadium is back there, north of the canal. So let's have a walk there. Yeah, this new stadium, it's definitely overdue. I once made a video where I visited a hockey game in the old stadium. I will link it up in the corner. And everybody who saw that, who's about to see that, will see that. Does already know the hockey arena here in Munich is quite an old one. It's from the late 60s, early 70s. Totally outdated. They tried to make some renovations, but with the substance this building has from the late 60s, early 70s, there's not that much they can do. Then a few years ago, Red Bull, the Red Bull, he bought the Munich hockey team and the whole organization. So, of course, soon he came up with a plan. Hey, we need a new stadium. He united himself with the FC Bayern München, because the FC Bayern München is not only football, soccer, they also have a basketball department, which is grown quite a lot in recent years. So they united to make plans. They wanted to build a new stadium. It took some years to go through the instances here, because in Germany building infrastructure projects is always very complicated. But finally they came to an agreement with the city. Red Bull will pay. The FC Bayern will rent themselves into the building. And the new stadium will be right over there. I can already see the beginning of the construction site. This building will be good for a little over 10,000 in attendance. Maybe a little more for basketball, a little less for hockey, but around 10,000. Which is quite good and absolutely big enough for Munich and for the DEL. And it will be a pretty nice arena. I hope they will finish soon. And as soon as they finished, of course, I will try to show some footage of how it looks inside the stadium. And of course outside. Outside definitely, inside we'll see. But now let's have a look at the construction site. And I see there's a sculpture over there. I think from up there we'll have the best view. So let's go there. A new building that will be the SAP Arena. SAP will be the main sponsor. Yeah, this is this software company owned by, what's his name? Dietmar Hopp, one of the founders and owners of SAP, multi-billionaire. He did a lot of investments in sports in his home area, which is the southwest of Germany. So his football club is TSG Hoffenheim, and his hockey club is EHC Mannheim, which is also one of the most successful hockey clubs in Germany. And I think that's quite cool that he's investing not only in hockey and football in the southwest of Germany, but also here. And of course Red Bull, who is paying for the construction here. That's quite okay. So, here is the first view. They're in the very early stages, but I think we can already see that this will be a hockey stadium or basketball arena from the size. The lower, if you look through on the lower level, you can already see the bottom where the cranes are standing. This will be a very nice looking arena. Down there, this is, yep, here it is. This is how it will look in the future. The facade, yeah, supposed to look very good. Let's see how the inside will be. And I will keep coming here and document the progress of the construction. Right now they're putting the concrete on one of the middle levels. This is quite interesting. And let's hope for a beautiful new stadium. One more thing you can have a look at here is of course this sculpture. Of course, to remember the Olympics 1972. Oh yeah, and one more thing that comes to my mind right away. The location where this construction site of the new hockey stadium, basketball arena used to be a cycling indoor arena. They brought down the cycling arena to benefit for the new hockey stadium. And this sculpture here, yeah, this looks interesting. What comes to my mind right away is the band Queen and one of their songs. Figure out by yourself which one I mean. And an overlook from the far western side over the Olympiapark. Okay, that's it for this one. As mentioned, I will keep coming back and document the progress of the construction of the new hockey stadium. Hope you liked it, hope you will keep joining me. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you soon back in Munich. Have a good time. Goodbye.